Are you ready to change your life with just one smart decision? Ready to become a crypto millionaire? If the answer is yes, then this video is for you. Together, we'll dive into the secrets of spotting altcoins that have the potential to skyrocket 100x before the rest of the world catches on. You'll learn how to analyze, evaluate, and invest in the most promising projects. Don't miss out on this chance to grow your wealth. Here's a simple breakdown on how to find altcoins that could potentially grow 100x. First, focus on researching new coin sales, ICO, and upcoming projects. Dive deep into their white paper to understand what the project is about, who's behind it, and their plans for the future. Look for projects with fresh ideas, strong technology, and real-world applications in the blockchain ecosystem. Think of it like investing in a startup. You'd want to check out their business idea, the founding team, and how they plan to execute. The same goes for crypto. Understand how they're going to use their token, how it's distributed, and how they're managing it so it aligns with your goals and risk tolerance. Also, consider where this project stands in the market, whether it has competitors and who the target users are. It's like figuring out if a startup has potential customers and if it can beat out the competition. By following these steps, you'll be in a better position to spot altcoins with serious profit potential. Second, pay attention to emerging trends in the crypto world like decentralized finance, DeFi, non-fungible tokens, NFTs, and Web3 applications. These areas are growing fast and can offer great opportunities for investors. For example, when new tech trends like electric cars or AI first hit, if you were among the early investors, you'd have made a killing before they went mainstream. The same applies to crypto. Spot a new trend early, and you could invest before the big gains hit. To do this, look at market demand and supply, crypto regulations, and figure out which areas are likely to take off in the near future. By staying updated and catching market trends early, you'll be able to find altcoin projects with massive potential before they become household names. When you're looking for altcoin projects with big growth potential, it's important to focus on those with a strong, experienced development team. Check what the team has done in the past, whether they have a solid reputation, and if they have the ability to deliver on their promises. Think of it like investing in a startup. You'd want to know who's running the show. If the founders have a track record of success, it's a good sign they can do well again. The same goes for crypto. If the team has experience in blockchain, finance, and marketing, and they've succeeded before, the chances are higher that this new project will also succeed. You should also look at whether the project has well-known advisors in the industry. These people can offer valuable connections and guidance. A strong team with a proven track record increases the likelihood of success and long-term growth potential. Imagine you're considering investing in a startup. You'd read their business plan carefully to understand what they're planning to do, what makes their product unique, and how they intend to grow, right? It's the same with crypto projects. The white paper is like the business plan. It tells you what the project aims to achieve, the technology behind it, and how the token will be used. The roadmap is like a blueprint for the future, showing you where the project is headed. For example, when Ethereum first launched, their white paper clearly explained the idea of a smart contract platform. Their roadmap was executed successfully, making Ethereum one of the largest blockchain platforms today. To find promising altcoin projects, it's also crucial to see if the community is involved and supportive. Check out social media groups, forums, and discussions related to the project to gauge interest. If you see lots of people actively participating, leaving positive comments, and showing strong support, that's often a sign that the project has potential. Just like when you hear a lot of buzz on social media about a new product or service, it usually means it's gaining traction and might succeed. Similarly, in the crypto world, strong community support increases the odds of success. Keep an eye on social media trends, listen to what influencers are saying about the project, and use tools to track overall market sentiment. By staying updated on community engagement and reactions, you'll get a better sense of the project's appeal and long-term success potential. Consider investing in newer crypto projects with big growth potential. These projects usually have a smaller market cap, but if they succeed, they can grow significantly, sometimes even 100x. Think about it like this. When you invest in a new startup, if you're one of the first investors and the company takes off, you can make a huge profit. The same thing applies to crypto. New projects, often called altcoin microcaps or nanocaps, usually fly under the radar, but if you find one with real potential and invest early, your returns can be massive. That being said, these projects are still in the early stages, which means they come with higher risk. So, before you jump in, make sure to do your homework. Research the development team, the technology, and how the project fits into the market. If you pick a solid project and invest wisely, you could ride the wave of big gains in the altcoin market. To manage your risk when investing in altcoins, it's smart to diversify your investments across different coins. This way, if one coin tanks, you don't lose everything. Set clear goals before you invest, understand how much risk you're willing to take, and always have an exit plan in case things go south. For example, just like you wouldn't put all your money into a single stock when investing in the stock market, the same rule applies to crypto. Diversifying your portfolio protects your assets. You can also use tools like stop-loss orders to automatically sell when a coin's price drops below a certain point to limit your losses. Keep an eye on the news and market trends to adjust your strategy when needed. By using solid risk management strategies, you can confidently invest in altcoins while minimizing unexpected risks and protecting your capital from wild market swings. To get started with presales on Binance, head over to Binance Launchpad, where upcoming presale projects are listed. You might need to join a whitelist if the project requires it, which usually means completing a Know Your Customer (KYC) verification to qualify. Think of it like getting early access to buy tickets for a special event. You sign up, verify your identity, and wait. The same goes for presales. You need to get your spot secured before it starts. Once you're whitelisted, make sure you've got enough funds in your Binance account, usually in Binance Coin, BNB, or other cryptocurrencies, to buy the presale tokens. When the presale kicks off, just follow the instructions on Launchpad to join in. After the presale ends, the tokens you bought will show up in your Binance account. It's crucial to research these presale projects thoroughly, look at their potential, and weigh the risks. Be wary of scam projects pretending to be legitimate presales. Also, keep an eye on price trends and charts to figure out the best time to buy. Watch for patterns like when prices hit a low, support, or high, resistance, or when there are signs that prices might jump. On top of that, consider any project-related news, new partnerships, or key updates in the crypto space that could affect a coin's value. For example, if you hear that a big company is partnering with a crypto project, that news could push the price up. Similarly, major changes in laws or economic news can also impact prices. Make sure you have a clear investment plan. Know how long you're going to invest, the price you're aiming for, and when you'll sell if the price drops. Also, diversify your investments across different cryptocurrencies to minimize risk. In the end, trust your own research and avoid investing just because you're afraid of missing out. FOMO. By combining your analysis with a personal strategy, you'll make smarter decisions that fit your investment goals and risk tolerance. To figure out when to buy crypto, start by looking at price trends and charts. Watch for key levels where the price has bounced back up from a low, support, or hit a peak and slowed down, resistance. These patterns can help you find a good time to buy. Also, keep an eye on important project developments, new partnerships, and big industry news. These factors can have a major impact on the coin's value. For example, if a project announces a big new partnership or product, the price might jump. You should also stay updated on larger economic factors, legal changes, and overall market sentiment. Having a clear investment plan is key. Know how long you're holding, your target price, and when to sell. Most importantly, don't invest just because of FOMO. Trust your own research and analysis. By combining technical analysis, news, and your personal plan, you'll know when it's the right time to buy crypto, based on your goals and risk tolerance. If you're looking for coins that could increase 100x, it takes a lot of research and understanding of the crypto market. Start by focusing on projects with a solid foundation, like cutting-edge technology, clear real-world use cases, and a strong development team. Follow social media, forums, and crypto news to spot new trends and gauge market sentiment. You should also look at partnerships, investor backing, and whether the coin complies with regulations. It's like investing in a small startup with a breakthrough idea. If it takes off, you'll see big profits. But remember, Higher potential comes with higher risk, so invest carefully, diversify your portfolio, and only invest what you can afford to lose. Staying informed and doing thorough research is the key to finding coins with big growth potential. To calculate a 100x return on a crypto investment, just take the current price of the coin and multiply it by 100. For example, if a coin is priced at 10 cents, a 100x increase would mean it needs to hit $10. This calculation helps set a clear profit goal. But to see if it's realistic, you also need to check the coin's market cap, which is the current price multiplied by the total number of coins in circulation. If the price increases 100x, the market cap will grow massively too. For instance, if a coin has a small market cap, a 100x increase might be possible. But if it already has a large market cap, such a big jump could be unrealistic. That's why you should compare the expected market cap after the price increase with other coins in the market. Also, understand the market dynamics, adoption potential, and investor sentiment to evaluate whether that coin can realistically hit 100x. And that's a wrap! Remember, whether you're diving into crypto for the first time or you're a seasoned investor, the key to success is doing your research, having a solid plan, and not letting FOMO dictate your moves. Stay informed, watch market trends, and make smart strategic decisions. If you can spot the right projects early and manage your risks, the opportunities are endless. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more tips on navigating the world of crypto.